Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this Revit 2022 video, and this is the new 2-point placement rebar tool that I'm going to take a look at. So I'm in a section of a reinforced footing and a column. I can select the rebar tool and I now get this option by 2 points. And this allows you to basically fill a shape of a rectangle that you draw and it will fill it with reinforcement. So I'm working on the near cover with parallel. I'm going to choose a 51 and I can simply just pick 2 points and it will allow me to simply draw the shape. So you can do that. You can then select the shape and then you can adjust it. You can see the way it does. It is snapping to all the references as we would want, and we can position it there and there. You could be more accurate and draw it into position. So rebar by 2 points, single. I may go with a fixed number, set it to 3 and draw my rebar in position. There we are. So it's really nice in the way that it works. You can also just draw in single pieces of reinforcement. So we could go rebar, change to a straight shape. So let's go with a 0 0 and we could just do it's one number and I can just simply draw the bar. I can draw it, and you can also, when you're drawing it, you can actually enter the position and the length. So I can just go 0.1 and then you can see the way it is doing my normal stuff. So I could go just give me 1 meter of bar in that position. So it's actually really quite nice to put in these awkward single bars. So just 2 points, drag and drop. It will also work for slabs and distributed rebar. So I've got a slab here and there's a couple of sort of nuances with this. So if I go rebar and I go fixed number, let's say I want to put in 20 bars. We'll go with a 12, we'll go with a 16 bar. And again, same principle is that it will work parallel to the work plane, but I could change that complete reference and I go that it's vertical, and then I can just draw the bars like this. And you can see that the sort of tooltip's telling you to space bar to flip and up arrow to align to a reference. So you could put them in and then you could flip them round and do that type of stuff. The aligned reference works in the fact that if you select the rebar and as you come along you see you're highlighting the reference, if you hit the up arrow it will then distribute them from that aligned reference. So if you want to put in bars like that, if we wanted to put in 21s in that position, we can just drag them down. You can see the way it will snap to that point, and there you go. You can put in your bars in that position. We can have a look and you will see that I've aligned, and then you can do the normal things as you would expect with reinforcement. Again, same old rubbish visibility, but hey ho, and there you have it. So it's actually pretty nice. 2 points, you can put in straight bars, whatever you want, and you can align to a surface or to an edge on the distribution side of things. So it's rebar, and obviously in 3D it's not there, so it's just in your 2D views, rebar by 2 points, and then choose your options, and then you can obviously change and flip and do what you need to do. So pretty nice update from the guys at Autodesk. So rebar by 2 points, and you can put in straight bars, single bars, and align them to the edge. So don't forget to join me again soon for another structural BIM tutorial.